Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. A question which I'm often sent is how many kinds of video ads are there? And there are a handful of different ones depending on what your aims are for your campaigns. You need to use it for those. So let's start with the most popular one, which is the instream or skippable ads, which come up in front of other people's video but can be skipped after 5 seconds. The other one is the bumper ads. The bumper ads are extremely good for branding perspective. They cannot be skipped, but they need to be less than 6 seconds, and you cannot pay per view, but it is per 1,000 views. And so every time 1,000 views incur, you will get charged by Google an X amount of dollars or pounds. The other ones are the image ads, which you will see come along the bottom of the video in the lower third, or on the top right hand corner, which is a 300 by 250 an image ad. So you can run both video ads as well as image ads on YouTube, which are being placed on other people's videos and channels. If you want to monetize your own channel, that's fine as well, because then other people can place their video ads and image ads on your videos and channels, and you will get compensated by Google Ads for placing those videos.